In this tutorial, we will go over how to create your own dashboards. Start by logging into the SupporTrends platform and selecting Visualizations from the dashboard. You can take any visualization from any dashboard and add it to your own dashboard. So we're going to go ahead and start with the standard summary dashboard visualization and choose one of the individual charts from it. Let's select products. Go ahead and click on the word products, and it will bring up that specific chart. In the middle, you see the visualization that is the same as what you see on the dashboard. Beneath it, you'll see the data that makes it up. And to the left, you see the individual measures and dimensions that make up the visualization itself. For now, we're not going to make any changes. We're just going to add this visualization as is to our new dashboard. So go ahead and click the gear on the top right and select Save to Dashboard. Select your personal folder and choose a dashboard if there's one available that you want to add this visualization to. If you don't have any dashboards, select New Dashboard and name it. Now you can add this specific visualization, which is called a tile, to that dashboard. Click Save to Dashboard, and you're done. You can now click the blue link here to view the dashboard that you just created, and you can see that the visualization has been added already. You can also see this dashboard in your folder navigation menu titled New Dash.